Rivian should be able to produce 25,000 vehicles this year. That's about half of its regular capacity. The company beat everyone to the market with its all-electric pickup, the R1T, but supply chain issues have slowed the company down in pushing vehicles through the assembly line. Despite these hurdles, Rivian continues forward with the financial support of institutional giants, including Ford Motor Company, Amazon, and others. Do you want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Bezos Space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about technology, development, and anything related to Jeff Bezos. Hit the like button to show your support, and in this video, we're gonna discuss Jeff Bezos just leaked that the Rivian R2 vehicles are confirmed. So without any further ado, let's begin. Still looking ahead, the American electric vehicle maker appears to be developing some new tech of its own, including an R2 platform that is expected to serve as the basis for future, more affordable vehicles. After years of preparation and billions of dollars spent on the project, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos got to be one of the first people to ride a rocket built by his other company, Blue Origin, to the edge of space. But the event itself was also a chance for Bezos to promote a third investment in the wider Amazon portfolio, EV startup Rivian. Throughout the broadcast, Rivian's electric pickup truck and SUV could be seen shuttling Bezos and his fellow astronauts around, an unsurprising decision considering Amazon now owns more than 10% of the EV startup after leading and participating in multiple funding rounds. Rivian, the buzzy electric vehicle company backed by Ford and Amazon, delivered 909 vehicles to customers in the fourth quarter of 2021, the company said in its second earnings report since its historic IPO last year. The company says it has delivered a total of 920 vehicles in 2021. The number has increased since the start of the new year. Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe said that as of March 8th, the company has made 2,425 vehicles since the start of production. And Rivian has 83,000 customers who have pre-ordered a vehicle waiting in the wings, indicating that demand is strong for the company's premium EVs. The factory currently has an annual capacity of 150,000 vehicles, and Rivian has said it intends to increase that to 200,000 by 2023 as it adds new vehicles. Rivian, whose other plant near Atlanta is set to open in 2024, will eventually build 400,000 vehicles a year and also make battery cells. Rivian will get $467 million in tax credits if it creates 7,500 jobs by 2028, as the automaker promised. But Pat Wilson, Georgia's commissioners, noted that if Rivian doesn't produce that many jobs, there are protections for the taxpayer. Almost $300 million will go into site preparation and job training. The final $700 million will come from the 4 counties hosting the plant. According to Bloomberg, Amazon would be carbon neutral by 2040, he pledged, a game-changing moment for Bezos and the millions of Prime customers. But this was an even more defining moment for Rivian. The order immediately separated the auto rookie from the parade of promising electric startups, providing backing, a big book of business, and legitimacy. It also would soon start to draw in additional investment from major players including Ford, T. Rowe Price, D1 Capital Partners, and Fidelity, while most of the Rivian's marketing focuses on its sleek, powerful consumer models, and Scaringe's vision for creating the Patagonia of pickups the company is driven by the business Amazon is providing. Without it, say people familiar with the company's financials, there would be no hope of the $80 billion, $1.2 trillion valuation Rivian is aiming for in its upcoming initial public offering. Amazon's primacy as a customer is underscored now as production gets underway at Rivian's Illinois factory. Rivian is also collaborating with Amazon on an electric delivery van. The e-commerce giant said it would order up to 100,000 vans through 2024, part of the effort to decarbonize its logistics fleet. Rivian started shipping the R1T late last year, earning the distinction of being the first company to deliver an electric truck to customers. Most of the initial deliveries were to employees, though a few have gone to some actual customers. The rest of the auto industry is still scrambling to get its own plug-in pickup trucks into production. In order to serve the largest number of pre-order holders, we'll be prioritizing building the Adventure package with large pack battery during the next year, wrote Scaringe. Explore package pre-orders and vehicles with a max pack battery configuration will follow in 2023. In setting our delivery timing, we optimized our build sequence around the build combination that would support us ramping as quickly as possible and therefore have the largest possible positive climate impact. Rivian has also trademarked R3, R4, and R5 names. It could be only a way to prevent other companies and providing people from having these trademarks and later charge the EV maker for them. It could also mean that the company will have 3 other platforms apart from the R1 and R2, which is not the way the automotive industry is doing things right now. Almost all relevant car companies now have modular architectures that allow them to create vehicles in different sizes without the need to develop something from the ground up. Rivian will also have to pursue that solution to remain competitive. Earlier this week, an investor sued Rivian claiming that the company omitted pricing details at the time of IPO filing. The lawsuit calls for class action status and a review by the Securities and Exchange Commission due to the timing of unprecedented price hikes on the vehicle pre-orders. Investors have been impressed by the high demand of Rivian's electric trucks and SUVs. But the lawsuit alleges that demand was negatively affected and the company's brand tarnished by the abrupt price increase and subsequent reversal. In the earnings call, Rivian said that it saw an increased rate of cancellations after the price increase was made public, but that more than half came back after the company reversed itself. In partnership with the Joint Development Authority (JDA) of Jasper County, Morgan County, Newton County, and Walton County, announced that the Economic Development Agreement has been signed by the JDA, the state of Georgia, and Rivian to move forward on the company's $5 billion Georgia project, which will create 7,500 jobs at Stanton Springs North, said the Georgia Department of Economic Development. According to sources, the total peak output for the R2R is set to be somewhere around 500 horsepower and, as a matter of course, will pack all-wheel drive and 4 motors. The new R2 architecture, revealed by Automotive News, should be manufactured at Rivian's new plant in Georgia, which is involved in controversy. Although the company said it wants to talk to the local community, the residents in the area where the plant will be built are concerned with their groundwater reserves, something that Tesla also faced with Giga Grünheide. Tesla got more than $60 million to put its plant in Austin, Texas, as long as it promised to invest at least $1.1 billion into the location. Battery chemistry and commodity prices, as well as the Russian invasion of Ukraine, are putting a strain on EV production across the industry. Scaringe said Rivian is planning to use new battery packs in its EVs, including cells made from lithium iron phosphate for its standard range vehicles and high nickel chemistry for its longer range vehicles. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. This video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now, and there are a few more fun videos coming soon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and be happy, guys.